Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. It's a photo chart of DXY, and as per our expectation, DXY is still trading within a range of 103 at the bottom and 105 at the top. Right now, we can see DXY is standing at the resistance of the trend line and the moving average. Okay, and as per our general understanding, whenever market tests the level too many times, market usually breaks the level. But in this case, we can see that market is trying its best but unable to do so, and the reason is volume. Because for any breakout market requires volume, which market doesn't have yet. Because of Christmas and New Year, as you all know it very well, that market is already in festive mode, so the volume will be low, so market may remain within this range only. Market may not go for breakouts or breakdowns because it requires volume. So if even if market goes for breakout or breakdowns, please be careful because that can be a false breakout as well. Okay, so nothing much to discuss on the chart of DXY. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. So for gold, we saw a big fall yesterday. Okay, yesterday when market was trying its best to go, ultimately market failed and there was a heavy drop, and market is right now trading at 1793. This is the current market price, and when the fall came, market took support around the trend line here. Today is Friday, last trading day of the week. After 2 days we have Christmas. So the 4 hours chart may not give us much opportunities. So as a result, I'll be switching to the 1 hour time frame. But before I switch, I would like to mention one thing, and that is that, my dear friends, the trend line that we have drawn, the trend line we have been considering for the last couple of days is a valid support, and we saw it yesterday. But for trading purpose, to find out some opportunities, we are switching to the lower time frame. So first of all, if you already have taken a buy position, be on the trade, no need to exit. You can take a small sell position around 1800 level if market reverses. Okay, and in case market breaks 1800 level, your next resistance will be around 1804. 1804 and 1800. These two are minor resistances. Okay, see, the volume of the market is low, so as a result the levels may fail badly, so you need to use proper risk management. And in this situation, we do not have any strong support or resistance level, so you must be very careful before taking a position. If you see market reversing from 1800 level, then only take a small position. If you are seeing market reversing from 1804 level, then only take a sell position, otherwise just avoid it. Today is Friday. Already the volume has reduced considerably, and in case market breaks the trend line, okay, in case market breaks the trend line, observe the market around 1785 level. Okay, observe the market around 1785 level, or the support, the support from where market bounced yesterday. If the volatility of the market remains low, yes, see, volatility will play a big role, because if market starts falling with candles like this, then obviously market will break the support. But if the volatility is low as expected, you can expect the volatility to remain low. So if volatility remains low, then around 1785 level we can expect the market to take support. So if market comes to 1785 level with small candles, it means that the volume is less in the market, then higher chance of market going for a bounce. And you can consider taking a buy position because market will be bouncing. If not a complete trend reversal, at least you can expect a profit of 40 pips. On the other hand, if market breaks 1785 level or 1784 level with candles like this, okay, with candles like this, then it means that sellers are pushing the market down and market has volume. Market has got some unexpected selling volume. In that case, you can take a sell position below 1784 as well. Okay, so if market breaks 1784 level with big red candles, it means that market has volume, and you can consider taking a sell position below 1784 level. And the next support on the chart of gold will be around 1775 to 1770 level. To be honest, the only proper support on the chart of gold is 1775 to 1770 level. And the reason is, see, this is the Fibonacci. In fact, I have already shown in my previous video. See, this is the Fibonacci here. And we can see that Fibonacci 23.6% is around 1775 to 1770 level. And moreover, we also have the 200 moving average coming up. Plus, market has already shown previous price rejection around this area. So as a result, 1770, 1775 is the most important support zone before Christmas. The other support zones are very weak, and the resistance zone are also not much reliable because see, these are minor resistances that we are considering before Christmas. My dear friend, if possible, try to avoid taking any position because see, as a trader, you should know when to trade, obviously, but you should also know when not to trade in the market. So if possible, try to avoid the market, spend some quality time with your friends and family. If you're a trader, that doesn't mean that you need to be in position all the time. A trader deserves rest also. The family of the traders also deserves some family time, isn't it? So as a result, try to avoid the market if possible. But in case you are very much in love with market, then yes, you can trade on the levels that I have just explained. Below 1770 level, if market drops, then there may be a huge sale because the next big support or proper logical support will be around 1745 to 1750. 1745 is the real level, 1750 is the psychological support for the market. So as a result, we will be considering 1745 to 50 altogether. Those who are thinking about the divergence here or divergence on the 4 hours chart, let me tell you one thing very well, my dear friend, that this is market. You need to understand the price behavior first. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care. uh, Probably I'll upload a video by tomorrow. Mm. And tomorrow, yesterday I have realized one more thing very clearly, that because most of my videos come during the Asian session and the market behavior changes during the US session. So from new year onwards, I'll be uploading regular videos during the US session as well. Okay, I'll try my best. Bye bye. Take care.